Hi guys, good morning. Second day namin. Nandito kami sa Handara Gate. Punta ka na doon, Dad. Wait ka na. Handara Gate. Nag-north tour kami. Lang.
Do you will play your drone or?
Yeah, I will play if
Extra payment.
you need to pay for the drone.
Nagpipay ka?
Sige. I need to. How much for the drone?
250.
For all.
Okay. So extra payment.
150.
So pag magdo-drone kayo, magbabayad kayo ng 250. Dahil magdo-drone si Daddy.
I need.
We're here na eh, so it's cold.
Yes.
It's cold here.
Yeah. Even summer also the weather like this.
It's cold. This is the Handara Gate, guys.
Ano to yung sabi?
Daddy, ay naka.
Kuya ng 3 a.m.
Hindi tayo doon nagpunta ng 3 a.m.
Parang safe lang naman eh.
Oh, nako, hold mo na.
Yay! Dapat slow kasi. Titara Gate. Ma'am, excuse. Tigara Gate.
Kano? $150,000 per person.
Including 9 photo spot inside.
For kids.
How many years?
Free.
The nice spot. Include big suite.
Ooh, big photo.
This one.
Yeah. Nice spot include big suite. And this one only picture inside.
Oh, that one including the suite
Wow.
package.
No.
You can choose Ate, Kuya.
Or
Yeah,
photo.
maybe just go to this area.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. This is including the swing. Choose.
We need the swing.
Me, it's fine here.
Only picture. Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah. Also inside there is already one they have a photographer from where the
So guys, nandito kami sa Nagiri Hidden Hill Valley. Yan, 150. guys. So, dito kami sa Ulun Datu.
Ulun ba?
Ano ba? Floating temple. For us, 7 years old.
One children? 200.
200. Alright.
50.
75, 75, and then 54 kid. Sa Ulundano. Kasi,
Okay.
alright. You going?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Ayan. Ito yung Ulundano. May buffet lunch. All you can. With gelato pa, oh. Malaki siya, guys, actually. May playground. Parang pwede kami dito magtagal. Ulundano. Yan yung restaurant.
Parang pwede kami ito magkain.
Tapos meron na naman siyang gate. Picture tayo.
Picture ka dyan.
What?
Okay, chak. Laiko. Yuk, maam dulu yuk, belok kanan.
May playground, guys. So, may kasama kayong baby, anak. Like this, makulit kong anak. Oh, yan. Narinig nyo na. I want. Kali! That's a floating temple, oh. Dun, oh. Oh. Look, oh, Kalo. Oh.
We will go inside yet.
Oh, told you.
What is that a floating thing?
Not floating.
I want to
What do you want?
sleep.
Later. We'll just go there first.
Ma'am, dito to escape sa bag ko.
Hindi.
Ma'am.
Wala pang pilo.
We can go this way. Yeah.
Oo, pag na tayo dyan. Nakadami na tayong gates. Yung maganda yung kanina.
Ganda, no? Pero mas maganda yung Lempuyang.
Hindi, nakuha naman ni Madam na tayong parang
I want to play.
nagmi-mirror.
Mm.
Nandito. Diba?
I want to
Transfer ko nga sa
Mamaya na.
para di mo wala.
monkey
Would you
bar.
like to play, Kuya Kali?
Ayan o.
Monkey bar.
Speedboat.
Ah!
Ah, ito yun? Ito. Boat?
Yan. Ulundano Temple. Kasali ito sa North Valley Tour. Kay Kuya Wu yan. Ayan, pag mag-i-speedboat, 200,000, 40.
We just go around the
What lake is this again? Ang Ulundano Lake. Ayan. Ito, Ulundano Lake. Tapos pumunta tayo sa Ulundano Temple. Ah, Kali, look oh. Oh, picture.
Kali, you lang.
Kali, na picture ka na.
Cheapos agad, bilis.
Spider-Man post. Yeah.
Go.
Hindi na ako. Gowi.
Molting sample. Where is it? What boxing?
Ayan.
Tama? Acá, mira. Ahí.
75 yung 75,000 yung bayad dito sa ticket ng atin. 50 naman sa akin.
Yeah, also nice view also.
Ay, good.
Not really busy also. Please. Thank you.
No one's allowed there.
Yes, not allowed. Only the priest when we
The
have ceremony.
priest is going there using...
Mm.
And then, boat or walk?
Sometimes the water is low tide. Yeah, so we can walk. But when there is the water is high tide, we have to do like to cross like a little. We make like a little bridge.
Ini tuh kalau surut,
$90 per person. Couple.
Yeah.
Couple.
Couple.
21.
We have how many? Two kinds. This one is more
No.
luxury. This one is the simple one.
Ay, just the simple one.
Yeah.
I
This
thought
one with the like that one,
Mm.
something like gold, something like.
No, we're just simple.
Yeah. This
Hindi
one.
so simple lang. Yung parang traditional ano nila. Kasi mga, ayan yung price.
4
Kita
kids.
ba yung price?
gusto ko eh.
Kids.
Gusto ko na na.
Nak, you want 50.
No.
Oh. Tapos ito, oh. Per couple.
Pagkamitin
Tayong dalawa.
Okay na.
170. Tara. Ayan. Maghihintay pa naman. Ayun na ako. Maghihintay pa ng 1 hour. 60 minutes, kaya hindi na kami. Pero ayun, kayo kung gusto nyo.
Picture na lang tayo nila.
Maganda. As na-focus naman namin yung price, di ba? Nagbibigyan ka, anak ka. Tapos ito yung restaurant. Ulundano, Beratan. Tapos may restaurant tayo ng coffee shop. Cal, you want?
Koi, inside. Ali, look mo.
Would you like, Kuya? No?
Ayaw daw niya.
What would you like to see? Rabbit? We have rabbit also there.
Rabbit.
Rabbit or luwak? Katat.
Luwak. Luwak. Tara, luwak.
Kalili ka na. Let's go. Luwak. Luwak na lang. Luwak.
Ah.
Namakulit. Crazy guy. Yeah, luwak. Okay. 1,600.
Marami ang restaurants, guys.
Nein, ob hier oder woanders. Nur die Preise anders. Genau. Glaube ich. Glaube ich auch.
Kids friendly. May mga bunny. Bunny, bunny.
Feeding animal you want?
Oh, let's go na.
Okay.
You don't want. You have...
Yeah, let's go. This way.
Luwak coffee.
Luwak coffee.
55K much.
Welcome. Gelato, luwak coffee. Single espresso.
Well, baboy. Yan.
Yes, kuya.
Lechon.
Kuya, is the lechon near here? Lechon.
Ah, lechon.
Yeah.
When we go back.
About another 30 minutes.
Alright.
Here we have restaurant, but with buffet.
Here?
May toilet naman pala dito.
Layo.
Marami activities dito. Actually, kung may anak kayo, katulad yung anak namin, nag-aano na siya. Naasar na siya kasi namin nakita siya playground. May koi, feeding, 10 lang. May picture with the animals and feeding with the animals, 10 lang din. Tapos, 10,000 na yung ano. Kasi nga merong, sa times mo lang ng 3.6. Maraming activities, maraming restaurant, buffet, cafe, may mga luwak coffee. Luwak coffee here is 65,000. So times 3.6 yung 65. Doon sa kahapon, na luwak coffee, it's 55,000. So this is our second day here. Tapos didiretso na kami, we're gonna transfer to Seminyak. Kasi 2 nights kami sa Ubod and then 4 nights sa Seminyak. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili namin sa Coco Supermarket tsaka sa Alpha Mart. Alam niyo yung super cheap lang na kung gusto niyo magbigay ng mga something lang na pasalubong or ano sa mga kami, sa mami ko, tsaka sa mother-in-law ko. Yun, tsaka dun sa mga kapatid ko, sister-in-law. Just a simple, mga ano lang, coffee. Ng mga Bali coffee. It's nice here, actually. So yung... Yan, lipat ko yung camera.
Your time to play.
Ayoko na.
You have 30 minutes to play.
Ayoko na.
Then we'll
Ayoko.
sunflower.
Yan ang ganda. Malaki siya actually.
Like what do you call there? I think Tagaytay.
Tagaytay, yes!
Tagaytay.
Oh, no?
Yeah. Picture.
Ay, picture! Ka!
No more, kuya. No more picture. No.
Kali!
Go na. Bilisan mo na.
Come on na. Sige na, you'll play. Ganda. So later guys, yung anak ko magpe-playground lang.
Ayoko na.
Oh, you heard him.
Try what? Corn.
Corn, you're a corn. So yung video ko, sorry ko medyo I'm just new to this. Aaralin ko din naman. Bilis! Babi guling.
Happy guling.
Ah, yun. Dati ka mag-picture ko maganda. Alright. Guling. Babi guling, 50,000. Okay. Sambal, kuya. And then this is
This is the sambal is from Chile.
Chile.
But this is Balinese spicy. So they mix with the garlic, lemongrass, onion, yeah, and then there is also a little bit what
liver.
yeah, And also here there is some like what we call the coconut and yang papaya we call urab. This one urab, yeah.
It's like, tawag dito, parang atsara natin.
Yeah, like that
Sharp.
one. This is the meat.
The meat, so,
Yeah, the skin. This is chicken, the satay. Not from chicken, but from the meat.
Pork.
The
pork.
Yeah. But this one with they put a little bit coconut and then they eat. This is the spicy that you can mix with this one with the meat. You can take the spicy and then make it. This is chili.
So, trivia. Liver.
no, not liver, pork.
Yes.
Pork. Soup.
Check.
Come on, you eat na. You can eat na, kuya.
Yeah.
How was it?
Like papaitan,
Ah, okay.
but it's not sour.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy. They have chicharon. You call that chicharon too? Truco.
But here, this one, we have at the supermarket, we have, but not really many. Yeah, but Indonesia is a Muslim country also. So there is when at the supermarket, it's not only Hindu people coming, but sometimes different religions also.
Yeah, craving satisfied.
Kain na, anak. Dali. Eat na, eat. Rice, Kali.
Sarap to.
Kali. Yum.
Crunchy.
Rice, Kali.
Kali, you want chicharon? This?
Ako, open. What? Describe. Describe one piece. Taste what? Huh?
This one's yummy.
Yung palagi binibili namin sa dati.
Okay. Move, mister.
Oh, ma.
Daddy, you show this, oh. Show that. Maybe that's the CR. Tapos, asan na? Bukas mo ito. You can put your luggage here. Not that big compared sa sa ubod, pero it's nice. May upuan din eh. And yung namin to guys ng 2 million 246. So times mo ng 3.6 ulit. 8,000 guys. 8,000 pesos for 4 nights. That's with buffet breakfast na yan.
Tsaka may swimming pool pa.
Yes, may swimming pool din daw sila nasa rooftop. So, yun. This is Luminor Hotel. Lead yan sa
Tapos
Manila.
laki pa ng bed.
Right, no?
Tapos ang laki pa ng bed.
Yan. Yan. Yan na yung room tour namin, guys. Saktong-sakto pagpasok namin, diretso na yan. Ito yung hotel namin. Yan. I think, ano siya kasi,
Kita yung sasay. Up tayo, right? Sawadika.
Yan din. Rooftop.
Rooftop.
So, we're heading to the rooftop. With Cali Boy.
Over the legs. Boom.
Here, Cali. Just check the pool.
Hindi pa na mahaba.
Yeah, it's about, I think, 25 meters.
25?
Less than.
Maybe 20. No, it's bigger. It's bigger.
Mm.
Baka ma...
Cool. Yeah.
Baka ma 21 meters. Cold? Oh,
Cold?
not kind of.
It's okay.
Yes.
Let's go.
But this for kids.
That's for kids.
Yeah. That kind of cold is warm.
Yeah.
Maybe
Then there's a gym. Tsunami assembly point. Pool regulation. Okay.
So, hi guys.
pupunta kami sa Starbucks.
Yan. We're walking now. Papunta kami ng Starbucks Reserve Dewata. So, ilang meters lang from sa hotel natin, Dad? 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer from Legion. Ay, hindi. Ang tawag doon, Luminor Hotel, Seminyak. Legion,
Basta-
Seminyak.
Basta
So,
one na lang.
Google Map lang kami. Kasi traffic dito. So, if you can walk, walk na lang kayo. Tapos exercise na din. Ito daw yung biggest Starbucks sa Southeast Asia. And,
Ito na yung Starbucks.
yun.
Ito na guys yung Starbucks. Ang laki. Laki. Show mo na. Show mo. Ha? 148 meters. Ganda ng bahay. Bauchi daw. Tsaka wala lang.
Be careful.
Tsaka madami silang ganyan, mama, birds. Sama mo. Bird. Ay, bird. Kumakain. Nasa city na kami.
Ayun nga pala. Nag-transfer na kami from Ubud to Seminyak. So, we'll be staying here ng 4 nights. Si Kuya, dire-diretso kami from north na tour namin. Yan na siya.
What the?
From there.
Layo.
Yan. Yan siya.
Tsaka 600k lang. Init dito. Let's go inside what you're waiting. May time.
Cool. Ali.
Di nga makita oh. Hello. Hi.
Journey from sea to top.
The store is open until what time?
Until 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Yeah. Cool. This is the biggest SB in
Southeast
Southeast
Asia.
Asia. Yes. Correct. Right.
We
Cool.
have coffee plants. Yes, coffee plants.
Coffee plants.
What?
Then we have
Coffee plants.
for this roasting coffee.
Roasting coffee.
Yeah, and we have
What?
glass.
Ay, really? You have class?
Class.
I want.
I want. Do you have schedule?
No?
For my barista on a break, yes, you can ask until.
I want.
Pwede ikaw video. Mas magaling ka kasi mag-video.
Wow.
Okay. Sumatra, Java, Bali.
Hold on, I'm taking a picture. Video.
Guys, tsaka mainit dito compare sa water. Yeah. Ubo
I'm
Discord.
taking pictures.
Guys, may coffee bean sila. Paano ulit? Baka sabi nyo
Hold mo. Mag-ano ako. Hold.
Naka-off na.
baka pag sabi
Ikaw
red.
na mag-ano. Video. I-ano mo sa face. Sa Facebook kung gusto. Di bali yung yung ice is your latte 20. Okay, wari ng order. Diwata latte. 121,000. So, 121 times 3.8. So, ito yung nila, best seller. Tapos yung butterfly apple, 64,000. So, 64 times, more or less, the same price na rin sana sa best. Pero yung mga cookie, is 24. Soft chocolate brownie. This one is the caramel tofu.
27.
27.
Medyo mura.
Ay, masarap. Butterfly apple.
Nagagawa ba tayo?
Ano na kung ito lang doon. It's very exclusive.
Here, try. All na tayo sa mga cold. Tayo na yung lahat. That's all yours na. This time. Go na.
Chocolate brownie.
Yan pa yung sa labas.
Ito ano? Caramel ito. Ali will love this. Ganito yung mahilig niya, matatamig sweet. Caramel cake. Ali, try this. Ano ba ka mamaya?
It's yum, but not
Dati
my
yung
type.
give the description naman sa coffee ko.
It's yum, but I don't like. Not my type.
Hindi mo siya ikaw. Medyo may sipon ako, kaya hindi ko gano'n ka. Pero mas swabe yung ano niya, yung taste. Baga smooth. Walang sabit yung parang
I could
more
try.
of chocolate.
So nothing. Ito guys. Ito na. Ito. Ito guys. So. Parang nasa siyang konti yung Nutella. Konting Nutella. Tapos ito, may lasa na ice sweet. Parang ganun. Tignan mo. Sarap po. Saka malambot dito. Description. Ano yung
Dad, patay mo na. Bye! Hi guys! From Starbucks, nag-walk lang kami. Sandali. Tapos nakita na namin itong KFC kasi nahanap namin McDo sana. Mas malapit to. You know what? Lahat yung meal namin na yan. Ayan lang. 7,000. Nag-text na yung Gcash, 237 PHP. Nagpamahala yung meal ng anak namin kasi kids meal. Ayan. Yung mga pudding, and then this.
what is
Yan. Lahat to, 237 in PHP. This, some noodles, and then this is rice, and then one piece chicken, and then with Ovaltine, and yun, na yung pudding sa anak namin.